What's that talking, Dai? That's your butler, Dai. Wala naman lang. Huwag kayo masarap eh.
Kaya nga po. Just said, that's my shirt. Why did you wear it, Ezra? Ezra, it's color blue. That's my shirt, huh? Zeus. Hi, little foggy.
What do you advise, Isra?
Grabe na nag-talk eh. Twins pa sila oh. She's a mentor to Zeus.
Even Zeus is the oldest.
Dito no. Because a girl's always direct the boy's path. That's why girls should be the oldest. Ew, tooth. Kisa tungtut. Zra?
Out of mind ko lang. Nandok kami.
Ako.
I'm a zombie. I smoke a lot.
Smoke ka lang. Kung mag-smoke kalab, katugon kalab. Laga po, lagi nagpahinapay si Sus. Hi, Sus.
What is your hair, sis?
Katulog ba, love? Saman kalab?
I
Uy,
can sleep.
pwede takloban ni may mong dalunggan. Pwede ka kamata sa mga
I mean,
manha.
di ko na matukoy kung gamata pa magtulog.
Ano na lang good pag inatigot.
Gusto
Kung,
matulog nga, kita tanan.
kung dili ni mo kaya sa imong lawas, hindi man tug na lang ka.
I can carry.
Pwede man ta parehas og higa.
Hey, your
Hinaguan.
tummy, a lot of milk na,
Yeah.
Is this mad, because you get her toys,
Kakit ni duha.
What's Ra? Where's your toys, Ra? Stolen, Zeus?
Lamian yung purma eh.
Chilling
Ano na, basta kong paa. Ah?
Chilling in the bed.
Look at her. Look at her.
Chilling in the bed.
Her ano, foot.
Chilling.
Look at her foot. Oh, naka-X. That's your cute, Ezra. Wala, tago na Jujur. Tulog na sus.
Is it Zeus? Is it Zeus?
Pogi, mani akong susus. Ay! Isra pong cutie. Cutie nga pretty. Huh? Tulog na. Tulog na ba? Tulog na siya.
Tomorrow pa rin lang sleep.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. I never know, dear, how much I love you.
We're both no energy na.
Please don't take my sunshine away. I always longing, make sure I'm saving. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Hi, sis.